Do you need to give someone a little more access to something in Brightspot? Maybe they've taken on some new responsibilities or they just need access to other areas of your site. Instead of creating a brand new role, you can simply assign them an additional one. So I'm going to show you how that works. So you'll navigate down to admin, users, and roles, and locate the user that you need to update the permissions for. So today I'm going to update Amelia's permissions. You can see that Amelia already has the permissions of the developer role, but she's recently started helping the documentation team. So rather than creating a custom role for her, I'll just open up her profile like I did and add the existing documentation contributor role and then save my changes. So now Amelia has the permissions from both roles, so she can do everything she needs to do without affecting everyone else or adding another role to manage. And if you need even more control, you can also assign site-specific roles to individual users. And you can do that in the same area. That's really handy if you're managing multiple sites or different teams with different responsibilities. The nice thing about this approach is that your roles stay simple and reusable. And so as people's responsibilities change, you can just add or remove roles instead of constantly creating new ones. It keeps your permission model clean, flexible, and much easier to maintain. To learn more, visit docs.brightspot.com and give it a try the next time someone on your team needs a little extra access to something.